इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बना
Mansi, we request you to remove the video. We can't.
उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who have joined us today for our webinar series. I, Archana Sharma, along with the entire team of Franchise India, welcomes each one of you to our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar. This is a 60-minute webinar where our aim is to present the business opportunity which we have got for you. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, which is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the business solutions, franchisee solutions and suggestions from our side so that they can take a conscious and right decision of selecting the perfect and the right franchise for themselves. With this introduction, may I welcome the management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. It is our privilege that today they'll be talking about industry, sharing their insights, viewpoint, as well as taking all the queries for you. The brand which we are representing today is Luxury Ride. Established in 2015, it's India's biggest pre-owned luxury car company based out in Delhi. It has the largest collection of 100% certified pre-owned luxury cars from world's top brands, including Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Volvo, and many more. And it is a privilege to welcome the entire team today talking about this great opportunity which they have got for us. We welcome the entire team. Thank you so much, Mr. Das. Thank you so much, Mr. Agarwal, as well as Mr. Singh for joining in. Mr. Das is a founder at Luxury Ride. He is also joined by Mr. AP Singh, who is the Chief Marketing Officer, as well as Mr. Agarwal, who is the Brand Development, Business Development and Training Head. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining in today. But before we formally invite you to share your business idea with us, we have a lovely video on your brand. We would like to play the same for you. Mansi, may I request you to please play the video?
Luxury Ride, India's biggest multi-brand pre-owned luxury car company, having gained strong foothold in 6 cities, Delhi, Gurgaon, Karnal, Ludhiana, Chandigarh and Dehradun, is now looking for dealership expansion pan-India. Luxury Ride has revolutionized pre-owned car industry, has a trust network of more than 20,000 happy customers, procurement of as good as new cars, including unregistered, backed by 15 days money back, 1 year buyback, 1 year engine and gearbox warranties, ensures customers peace of mind and enhances his image in society at much discounted cost and time. After sale service and repairs is offered through our service workshops at much lesser cost than OEMs with matching quality and processes. We have a network of state-of-the-art workshops equipped with globally matched machinery, tools, scanners handled by certified trained human resources. Each workshop also boasts of a full-fledged detailing facilitation, accessories, modification, kits, and genuine spares. Our dealers get all expertise and wisdom gained over the years for creating a touch and feel showroom with branded interiors and exteriors, and day-to-day operational facilitation in the form of hiring and training of human resources, centralized lead generation through a plethora of auto portals, digital marketing, events, advertisements and networks, backed by a customized software to automate the purchase, sales and service processes, and enabling a daily MIS, data analytics and a CRM feedback system. This enables our dealers to create a lean, cost-effective showroom and workshop profitable within 1 quarter. Continual innovation and thinking out of the box has been the norm at Luxury Ride. Our new projects, Showroom in Showroom, wherein we have solved the car location conundrum by letting virtual reality take over and present a 360-degree view of any car out of any of our showroom locations. Our mobile showroom supplements our physical outlets by covering the neighboring cities, thus furthering rapid growth in sales. Our dealers will be part of an ever-expanding group, which is destined to transform the pre-owned luxury car industry. Welcome aboard.
So thank you so much, Mansi, for playing the video for us. Now we request the entire team to talk about the business model which they have got for us.
Thank you so much, Archana ji. Can you give me the sharing right so that I can just share the presentation, please?
So it's there with you. You can share. And we have Mr. Das also joined
Yes.
in.
So we would
Yes.
first like to give the stage to Das sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the Luxury Ride, the biggest pre-owned car company. We would first like to give the stage to our founder, Mr. Dhyanu Das. Welcome, sir, to the webinar. And we would like to say you to say a few words to all our friends who have joined in this webinar. Over to you, Mr. Das.
Thank you, Narendra ji. Good afternoon, everyone. Just excuse me for my background noise. And I really like to appreciate Franchise India to give us this opportunity to present our vision and our business opportunity to you guys. I hope I'm audible and clear.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you. Our business model is pretty simple. The problem we identified in the entire business model was the trust. Everything just boils down to one word, that is trust. Whenever you want to buy a luxury car, you feel like, is it driven the same what it says? Is it accidental? Is it the car I want? What will happen if I buy it? Or how much it's going to cost me after I buy? All these things, you don't trust the person you buy. And that was the only reason the 10,000 odd dealers were not able to scale from one location to multiple locations. There were only handful of 2 or 3 people who could scale up to 2 or 3 locations. We as Luxury Ride scaled up to 7 locations already. And Now we want to scale up to entire India, and for that we have joined hands with Franchise India, and they literally made our eyes open that how big the opportunities, even after we analyze the opportunity of such a massive scale. Our business model is we we help the franchise partner set up the entire, not just the infrastructure, but also the processes and the service center. We also train them completely to service the cars, to give the warranties, which we as a company provide to those franchise owners. We buy cars centrally. We generate leads centrally for purchasing and sales. And the model is as simple as you're buying any dealership which is at par with OEMs, Mercedes, BMW, Audi. Only difference is we don't have a factory. And we buy all cars to sell under one roof. So we have Audi, Mercedes, BM, Jaguar, Land Rover, and all the cars. So you don't need to worry about what car you are selling, what model is upcoming. You will be selling all the cars under one roof. So this is our business model. How we help the franchise owner in scaling up or in tying up with us is we give them the entire end-to-end, complete training as well as complete solution, so that they don't need to go outside of luxury ride framework to do anything in that showroom, just like how a OEM or how a company provided showrooms are. So they tell you what tiles to put up, they tell you. So we do all that. We have made all the systems, all the things set up for that. So I don't have much of a time to elaborate the business. It's simply put it this way. You're buying a branded showroom, which will provide you cars, which will provide you training, which will provide you spare parts, and which will also provide you customers to buy those cars. That's what our model is. Gaurav sir?
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Dhananjay. This is Mr. Das is also, just to introduce, not only involved in luxury rides, but he is a very seasoned investor. He runs a very large fund where he goes out and invests into emerging opportunities. And this is one of the opportunities he is very passionate about. One, he's passionate about cars, and second, he's passionate about the whole opportunity. And the niche they found was very, very interesting, because the pre-owned market, if you really see, is a very, very large market and getting organized. When the car goes outside OEM, the entire opportunity goes into what I call independent market. Independent market contributes about 80% of the entire marketplace, especially when it comes to premium or luxury space. And there is no third party organized chain in the country. And that's the vision. That's the vision where Mahindra is for value, a luxury ride is for premium and aspirational. And that's the opportunity becomes extremely, extremely big and very large. And especially in 9 to coming years, it will become even more large, especially for tier 2 and tier 3 cities, where OEM doesn't have the direct facility also, which if you say the aspiration of people. Yeah, please, Mr.
Absolutely agree. I would like to add to that if you are finished. Basically, you will see that in the next 10 years, the OEMs are moving from diesel or petrol गाड़ियों से, they are moving to battery operated cars. And आपने अगर नोटिस किया हो, कभी भी मर्सिडीज, बीएम, ऑडी कोई नया मॉडल निकालती है और वो स्पेशली इन इंडिया दे डिसोन देयर ओल्ड मॉडल. आप उनके पास पुराना मॉडल लेके जाते हो, उनका पहला काम होता है सर इसको बेचो, ये किसी काम का नहीं है, आप नया मॉडल लो हमसे, ये तो बेकार था, ये तो ये था. आई हैव हर्ड एंड आई वाज सेइंग यार आप ही का था, 2 महीने पहले आप ही का मॉडल था. एंड दे गिव डिस्काउंट to the tune of 40%. I have personally taken discount on GLS 40% का, क्योंकि उनका नया मॉडल लॉन्च हो गया था, पुरानी गाड़ियां खड़ी थी. GLS is one of the most premium product. अब लोग उसके ऊपर प्रीमियम दे रहे हैं 10-10 लाख रुपया. पहले लोग उसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट में भी गाड़ी नहीं खरीद रहे. तो वी ओन दोस कार, हम लोग उस गाड़ियों को ओन करते हैं. वी बिकम देयर फैमिली एंड देन वी हेल्प यू. आवर कस्टमर इज नॉट जो सेकंड हैंड गाड़ी प्रेफर करता है. हमारा कस्टमर वो भी है जो प्रीमियम बंदा है, जो 4 गाड़ियां पहले से हैं और एक स्पोर्ट्स कार लेना चाहता है, या 4 गाड़ियां पहले से हैं और एक अपने बच्चे के लिए गाड़ी लेना चाहता है, बट लेना प्रीमियम चाहता है. सो आवर रेंज स्टार्ट्स एट 15 लाख and goes up to 50 lakhs. That's our 80% of our product range. Rather 15 से 40 लाख is our 80% of our product range. सिर्फ 10% होती हैं जो 70-80 लाख 1 करोड़ तक जाती हैं, बिकॉज मास कार में यूजुअली साल की 40,000 गाड़ियां बिकती हैं. मास लग्जरी कार वी कॉल दैम, नॉट मास कार. मास कार में तो 40 लाख बिकती हैं, मारुति एंड ऑल दैट. लग्जरी 40,000 गाड़ियां साल की बिकती हैं. वी वांट टू कैप्चर अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड 10% ऑफ दैट मार्केट, लग्जरी राइड. अदरवाइज अभी कोई भी डीलर 150 गाड़ियां 100 गाड़ियां भी नहीं बेच पाता. हम लोग ऑलरेडी अबाउट 2% ऑफ द मार्केट कैप्चर कर चुके हैं.
Excellent. A very, very strong opportunity. This is what I call triple SD model. Triple SD means sales, spares, and service, and D for detailing. So this has 4 different business models which comes in. One is the sales. We sell the cars which are pre-owned, but covered with a strong warranty and structure. You have a service capability, you have a spare capability, and you have also a car detailing capability. So it's an absolute answer for any car enthusiast, because car enthusiasts want to change the cars also very frequently. So another big opportunity is that the same person actually in a buying experience over 5 years would actually become a buyer with you at least 2 to 3 times, which also means that the person would sell his existing car 2 to 3 times to you. So which means that you will be able to do with a single owner, which is enthusiast, at least 5 to 6 transactions with the same person. When you are dealing in a pre-owned car, you are actually having 2 transactions, one you buying and one you selling, and both sides you make profit. So fundamentally, this is a very, very interesting business model and a very, very strong category. Nobody is owning the category, and Luxury Ride is trying to take the full position in the aspirational pre-owned car category, which is the triple SD model, which is sales, service, spare, and car detailing. So Narendra, you want to start with the presentation?
Yes, thank you so much, Gaurav sir, and we're really looking forward to a great association with Franchisee India. Friends, now it's time to go in detail. I'm sure that you must be having so many questions about what is the model and how the things are going to proceed and stuff like that. So please allow me to take you towards a detailed presentation of the entire concept of the business model of Luxury Ride. How Luxury Ride will benefit you as a franchisor, and how you can take the franchisee of Luxury Ride. Based on that, you may be having a lot of questions. We want you to note down those questions. We want you to put those questions on the chat box. We want you to just keep adding on to your question list, and our team will be very happy to answer each and every question. But first, let's dedicate 20 minutes on understanding the entire concept. First, how this presentation is going to proceed is that we're going to have introduction, exactly what is Luxury Ride doing, and what all we are. What is the background of Luxury Ride, how the company was formed, and what all we have achieved so far, and what all we plan to achieve in the coming years. Second part of my presentation will be about the market competition. What is the market all about in India and outside, and how the market is proposed to function in the coming years, how it will act and react with all the changing dynamics of the market. We are going to study that in the second part of the presentation. The third part, after you've understood the market and you've understood what exactly is Luxury Ride, we will be making you understand what is the business model of a franchisee. How will you tell us that you are interested in taking the franchisee? What are the prerequisites? What are the investments? What are the return on investments? Everything about that we will be taking up in the third part. So let's proceed. First, understand what exactly is Luxury Ride, what is the background of the company, and what all we have done so far. Luxury Ride was incorporated in 2015 with head office in New Delhi. We are one of the biggest pre-owned luxury car companies. Like Maria said, sir, said that there is hardly any player in this organized sector of pre-owned. You will have a lot of unorganized people doing a lot of trades in this segment, but we are one of the pioneers in making it organized in the pre-owned especially luxury car segment. At present, we have 7 multi-showrooms outlets, multi-brand outlets. Where they are located, we will take it on in the next slides. We have the largest collection of pre-owned cars. And as a franchisee, you will have access to the entire collection. So as a franchisee, even if you're sitting in any city, you will have a collection of, in the entire national collection will be available for your disposal. So at present, we boast of having the largest collection of the luxury cars at any given point in time under one roof. What is our vision? Our vision is to provide affordable luxury cars. So please mind that, affordable luxury cars to aspirants with affordable after-sales service. Yes, everyone prefers to buy the car. Everyone prefers to boast around with that luxury car. But the first deterrent is it is very expensive. And the second deterrent is even more expensive to maintain. So we try to answer both these things in our vision. As a mission, we have a mission to be the market leader by acquiring maximum market share of the pre-owned luxury cars in India. At present, we're sitting at 2% market share with Luxury Ride, and we want to increase it to many folds. What is the goal? Luxury Ride has a very aggressive marketing plan, and we plan to open 50 outlets pan India with 3S facility, like Gaurav sir said, sales, spares, service, and detailing. So it's 3SD facility, and we plan to open 50 showrooms pan India nationwide 2025. In the next 5 years, 43 showrooms will spring up, and we want you to be part of the Luxury Ride family. What are the kind of brands we deal in? So these are the list of the 12 plus luxury brands that we deal in regularly. In these brands, the maximum share goes to BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. Yes, the other premium brands, Lamborghini, Land Rover, Jaguar, Porsche, Lexus, all of them form a very, very exclusive part of our sales. What are the showrooms that are currently operational? Luxury Ride has currently operational showrooms at Karnal, Delhi, Chandigarh, Dehradun, Jaipur. And while we are having this webinar, aggressive construction and opening work is going on in Gurgaon and Ludhiana. So we are present in these 7 cities, and we look forward to be present in your city through your umbrella. Wherever you are, we would like to be present in that city, provided it falls in our plan, provided we have all the prerequisites met. So what is it that we offer? We offer best cars at the best price. We also offer the best service. So friends, it is true that every buyer of luxury car comes back to us every 2 years or 3 years, because that is his need to sell his old car, buy a new car, again sell his old car, buy a new car. And while in that 2 years or 1 year, he comes a couple of times for services and other services. So once a customer is made, he is there with us for lifelong. So Luxury Ride focuses a lot on customer experiences. We give 15 days money back. What does that mean? That means if you buy a car, for some reason, X, Y, Z, you are not happy with the car, with the purchase, within 15 days, we will take the car back and pay back all the money as it is. Assured buyback. That means once you buy the car from us, we give you an assurance that whenever you want to sell it back, we will buy it back from you. Nobody in the industry is able to give assured buyback. In-house servicing and detailing centers. All our showrooms or outlets will have in-house servicing detailing centers. How does it help the customer? Why should he not go to the OEMs to get his car serviced? 40% savings on after-sales service as compared to OEMs. We have in-house insurances, finance. We have 6 months engine and transmission warranty, complete genuine spare parts. We do not encourage use of any of the open market spare parts. We only believe in OEM spare parts. Extended warranty, nationwide roadside assistance are some of the things that we offer to our customer. And as you become our franchisee, you will have access to all these services and your customer will have access to all these services. Friends, that was all about what exactly is Luxury Ride and what kind of services we offer. Let us understand, what is this market all about? How does the car market behave? What has happened in the last 5 years? What is going to happen in the next 5 years? So that you are able to make an informed decision if you want to enter this market. All right. So this slide represents a lot of things. But first, let me walk you through one aspect of this slide, one by one. The total number of cars sold in India in 1 year is 3 million cars. The segment of Luxury Ride, out of all this 3 million, that means 30 lakh cars. Out of these 30 lakhs cars, these 30 lakh cars will be from all the brands, Maruti, Hyundai, Honda, Toyota, Mercedes, BMW, and so on, is 30 lakh cars. That is 3 million cars in a year. Out of this, 1% of the cars are being sold in the luxury segment. So we are dealing as Luxury Ride, and as tomorrow you as franchisee of Luxury Ride, we will be dealing only in the luxury segment. We will not be dealing in the regular segment. That is the niche segment we have developed for ourselves. Let us understand what is the ratio of this 3 million cars and the luxury cars. The next graph identifies what has happened in the last 5 years. So do you see that the 16, 17, 18 has been on a high? 19 and 20 has been on a decline because of the obvious reasons of pandemic. I think every industry except for the health and medical, every industry had a decline in these 2 years, and this is bound to happen for some reasons. But let us come to the right side of the slide. And this is the breakup of all the cars, the main established luxury car brands, the number of units they have sold in 21 and financial year 20. I hope that this slide is clear. We can revisit the slide if it comes in the question answer session. Once we have understood that it is a 30 lakh car market and 1% is there for the luxury car. Now let us understand, how does the luxury car, that is the new car, and the pre-owned car, they react? And what are the figures relating to that? So this slide, the first graph which you see on the top left corner, is showing us that in the year 17, there were 3 million cars that were sold as new cars and 3.6 million as old cars, that is pre-owned cars. This figure has grown to In the year 20, it has grown to 4.4 million old cars. And this figure is poised to grow in the year 25. It's almost going to double to 7.1 million cars. So do you see this interesting trend here? Year on year, the sales of new cars are more or less going to remain the same. The sales of pre-owned cars is going to skyrocket amazingly high. Let us understand how is India posed on the entire map of the pre-owned. What is the sentiments of Indian people as compared to other countries? If you can lay focus on the right side of the graphs where the flags are there, China only contributes 0.5% of the pre-owned. So India contributes 1.6% of the pre-owned. What does this mean? That means if 1,000 cars, new cars in the luxury segment are sold, at the same time, 1,600 cars in the pre-owned segment are sold. So the pre-owned segment is 1.6 times higher than the new segment. And in the pre-owned segment, there are many players. In the new segment, there are many players. In pre-owned segment, you will be the only player. So big opportunity for you to join hands with Luxury Rides, to be the leading player, the only player, the monopolistic player in the organized pre-owned segment. And this 1.6 is poised to grow, because if you see United Kingdom's organized country, or US for that matter, is sitting at 3 times the sale of pre-owned cars. I hope that this slide is clear. If need be, we will revisit this slide wherever required. Let us understand a little bit about the sentiments of pre-owned cars from the other people, the people who have a lot of value in the car market. So friends, this is a statement from Mercedes-Benz. Expected pre-owned car sales to increase. This statement that we made in the last slide about the sales going up for the pre-owned has been ratified here by Mercedes-Benz. If I will quote Mr. Martin Schwenk, MD and CEO of Mercedes-Benz, he says, okay, this is very interesting. He says, young and first-time buyers who aspire to own a 3-pointed star. So please note this, young and first-time buyers usually opt for certified pre-owned cars. That means anybody who's wanting to buy the luxury car for the first time normally opts for a pre-owned car. And then when he gets comfortable with the pre-owned cars, he may opt for a new car to come into his garage. So this opens a very, very big market for us. Lot of aspirants, young entrepreneurs, businessmen, professionals are wanting to buy pre-owned cars all across the country. This industry is booming. This industry is growing at a very fast pace. Let us understand the market dynamics and how is it beneficial to you as a franchisee, how it is beneficial to LR. So if you can lay focus on the left side of my slide, okay, we have very few players in this concentrated market. Okay, this is very important to understand. Just anybody can't enter this market. It is a very, very niche market for you to enter. And when we say niche market, this brings in a lot of benefits of you entering into the niche market. Social status, the way people look at you in the city, your entire family's the status is upgraded once you say that I am into the niche luxury segment business. So and so pre-owned is so beneficial that even the OEMs like Mercedes, BMW, they are coming into the pre-owned segment also. The demand in the tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities is booming like anything. So if any of our participants are sitting at the tier 2 or tier 3 cities, you have a big opportunity to collaborate with Luxury Ride. OEMs have limited presence. Okay, so when we say OEMs, they are all the car manufacturers like BMW, Audi, Volvo, all these companies. Their focus is tier 1, whereas Luxury Ride is focusing on tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cities. And the biggest growth is coming from tier 2 and tier 3. Friends, if you will just read this line, it's very important for you to understand this and how it is advantageous to us as franchisee and franchisor. MBO, multi-brand outlet. Okay, my question to everyone, when we go to a mall, we prefer to buy from Lifestyle. We prefer to go to Shopper Stop. At the same time, the Levi's showroom is also there in the same mall. The Reebok showroom is also there in the same mall, but we still prefer to go to Lifestyle and buy there. Why? Because there, under one roof, you get many options. You will get options from at least 100 cars. The 12 different brands. Your customer would prefer to purchase from Luxury Ride rather than going to Mercedes to buy a pre-owned car, because there he has options of buying from, he will have 10 other options will open up for him suddenly. Yes, financing options are always there, and it's always acts as a very big factor in purchasing and buying. Excuse me. So we have understood what is the market scenario and how it is supposed to grow. We've also understood how Luxury Ride has placed itself in the market and how you can benefit from this collaboration. Okay, so just imagine, as a single standalone pre-owned car dealer, you will have access to your inventory, 1 crore, 2 crores, 3 crores, whatever it is. But if you suddenly become a Luxury Ride franchisee, you will have access to 50 crores inventory, 100 crore inventory, 100 cars inventory, 200 cars inventory nationwide. And that is the biggest push we have for our franchisees. Let's understand how this business model will work. I'm sure that you must be having a question on what is the investment, what is the return on investment, what are we supposed to do, what are we not supposed to do, how to go about it. So all these questions we will try to answer in this segment, please. Okay. This is a trust slide. I want you to understand this slide once properly. So when we look at the trust in the eyes of the customer, okay, customer most important, customer is the boss, customer is the king. We all know that. We are all from the business background. We know that, yes, customer drives everything. And it is very important for the customer to have trust on us. Only then will he listen to us. Only then will he be our customer. So friends, this is one slide that we have made where we have shown the trust factor from the customer's point of view. Okay, so when we say OEMs, yes, customers will definitely have complete trust in them. There is no question about it. They will have trust in Audi, BMW, Volvo, Mercedes, and all the brands, because these companies are investing heavily in the trust factor. Luxury Ride will come high on the trust factor. Why? Because we will we already do, and we will continue to do all those things that help in building up the trust of the customer. We will take that extra step. We will take that extra mile to make sure that the customer trust is never diminished. At the same time, we see that there are a lot of online players, Cars24, Carvale, Droom. Yes, the online digital market is happening. They are doing a lot of good jobs, but the trust factor in the eyes of the customer is from average to good. There are some of the other players like OLX where the trust factor is almost negligible, right? Let us understand what exactly you will do as a Luxury Ride franchisee to establish that trust. Number one, procurement of the car. Number two, certification. We have 151 checkpoints. After a car is procured by the Luxury Ride, it goes through 151 checkpoints to make sure that it is ready for the customer. We provide seamless sales wherever you are in the country. The entire procedure from showing you the car to test drives to the experience of buying the car is taken up in a most customer friendly manner. Value added services, insurances, loans, detailing, extended warranty, all this come under your umbrella as a earning model. And most important, the servicing of the car. The entire cycle we provide under one umbrella, that is the Luxury Ride umbrella. So what happens when the customer walks out of the Luxury Ride showroom? He's happy, he is contented, and he has established that trust. And like Gaurav sir said, that once you are able to establish that trust, that customer is going to come back to you again and again. And that is what we do in Luxury Ride. And that is what you will be doing as Luxury Ride partners. What is the proposition? How we are different from the others. Let's understand this. We have 3S and 3SD facilities. We are the preferred destination for all the customers. Be rest assured, anybody who's wanting to buy a Mercedes-Benz will visit a Mercedes-Benz showroom and will also visit Luxury Ride showroom. This is for sure. After that, he will take his own decision depending on many factors. But we become preferred destination. So anybody in the city is wanting to buy a car. It becomes extremely obligatory for him to be paying us a visit and understanding all our inventory, and then he takes his informed decision. We have the largest collection of cars, and this collection, friends, is not a small collection. Okay, each and every car, like Das sir said, is falling in the region of 15 lakhs to 50 lakhs of rupees, and you will have access to all this inventory nationwide. Irrespective of which city you are in, you can sell our entire inventory. Wherever that inventory may be, that car may be physically parked in any of our destination, but it is open to you as a franchisee to sell from any destination. 100% certified cars that we have discussed, 151 checkpoints goes through it. Okay, and only then the car comes onto our showroom and our digital portals. World's top luxury brands. We only deal in luxury brands, and we are very, very specific about it. We do not deal in the regular car segment. In-house service center, in-house detailing center that you will be establishing. So we will be establishing in your end a showroom a service center, and a detailing center. After sales, spares, availability of spares, the biggest challenge for any. Why is it? Why do you think that people are not able to come into the organized sector? Because the original parts of each and every luxury car not available. As a franchisee, you will have access to the spare parts which are normally not available in the open market. Luxury Ride will make it available for you, and they will be certified original parts. While you're doing all these things, selling a car, servicing a car, detailing a car, value adding servicing to the car, all these things will give you a strong potential of revenue and profits year on year, year on year. And these profits are going to grow because as the industry is growing, you will be growing. And there will be no two dealers in one city. So you will have a complete monopoly in your city. Let's try and understand. I'm sure that you must be having a lot of queries on this.
Sir, actually, time ka thoda sa aapko, you're losing some.
Okay, I will just wrap it up in the next 3-4 minutes, sir.
I'm sure, but there will be a lot of questions. So if you can wrap it up faster, please, that will be
okay. Good. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's understand this slide. It's very important for you. We need a plot area size 18,000 square feet, building area 13,000, and in lakhs. This is a slide. You can take a snapshot of it if you like on your screens. The total investments is 5.7 CR. This 5.7 CR includes a running inventory of 3.2 CR. So that means your fixed investment is approximately 2.5 CR. And your running inventory, that is revolving inventory, will be 3.2 CR. The breakup, the complete breakup is given here. Okay. And let me go to the next slide. Let's understand how you will get the investments back. Revenues per month expected at 45 lakhs per month. If that is the gross revenue, we reduce the operational expenses, let us say 10 to 12 lakhs, including your manpower, rentals, electricity, this, that. We reduce that. We are talking of a net potential income of 30 to 35 lakhs. That translates into per annum 360 lakhs per annum. Return on investment, ROI, less than 12 months. Less than 12 months, you get your entire investment back. I think this is the fastest investment we can give, the returns we can give under the banner of Luxury Ride. We will discuss this slide again during the question answer session. How we will help you during the pre-opening. Our team will be hand-holding you on site selection, showroom development, service centers, staff training, launching marketing plan, and everything. So from now on, from today onwards, till the opening, our team and the Franchisee India team will be hand-holding you and taking you through each and every step. Post-opening, you are part of the Luxury family, Luxury Ride family, and we will have cars inventory, spares inventory, service detailing, marketing, all the marketings, all the training of your manpower, everything, the road shows, the audits, everything will fall under our umbrella, where we will be hand-holding you on daily basis. So let's understand, this is the last slide. We are just trying to summarize. Thank you so much, franchisee, for giving us time. This is the last slide where we're just summarizing it. Lot of advantage in India to be in the pre-owned segment. Fastest growing, 3 million cars, 1% luxury segment. Luxury Ride has its own strengths, which we have seen and witnessed. Franchisees has a lot of benefits. Revenues, profits are exciting. We are capable of servicing full cycle to the customers, that is sales, service, and spares. High social returns. Yes, social standing increases in the city. large experienced team, and large national inventory. Friends, this is all from my presentation, and I'm sure that you will be having a lot of questions. How to go about it? Let's take the questions coming now, and we will be so happy to have your emails and your interest onto the email to the Franchisee India team, and then we can take it forward from there. Thank you so much, friends, for your time. And now I give it over to the to the franchisee team for the question answer session. Also, we'll invite Amritji and Mr. Das to please join us for the question answer session, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Nandaji. I think if I try to summarize 10 points, which are very, very important, and we will do one by one. And then also I will request everybody, in the interest of time, go to Q&A box, start asking your questions, and we'll start taking with the entire team of Luxury Ride. First is that this is a triple SD model, which means sales, service, spares, and detailing. 4 different revenue cycles which come to you. Second, it's an aspirational brand. A very, very strong aspiration. A lot of people want to get associated with the lifestyle and luxury. So this is your chance to be part of that journey. Third, it is a great opportunity for tier 2, tier 3. And rather, I should tell you that when they started, they actually opened up the first showroom in Karnal. Karnal is a tier 2 opportunity, and that is one of the most performing units for them. And they have not seen 1 year. It's been a legacy of many, many years. They've been very successful. And reason is very clearly there is a huge aspiration community. OEMs don't service these markets very well, and there is a large amount of opportunity available. And Mr. Das also said a lot of outdated models come in, which means that they are not currently available, and the OEMs don't like to do that, so they would go into this, what I call the pre-owned market. Fourth, which is very important differentiator whenever you buy a pre-owned car, is that how the warranty or guarantees are coming on that. This is the first question, we just park it, I'll cover it up. I will like to start with the first question to Mr. Das, that how do we cover and create a security in the minds of people when they're making a decision to do that. Let me cover my 10 points. The fourth point, I will park to Mr. Das. Fifth is very strong training capability. How do you build capabilities on selection of the car, great experience in the showroom when you make a purchase decision, and the entire life journey of spares and service. That's another point. It's backed by tech. So any time of real-time inventories, you can really know. I personally tried. I reached out to them and said, I want to know what cars are available. It just took me 1 minute to get an answer from them and said, this is our current inventory held up. And this inventory is now held in 7 different showrooms. So which means that if your showroom, they say you have opening up a showroom in X city, and people come in and they want a larger inventory. So there is a larger inventory available within the showrooms, which means that you get benefit of a collective inventory system which comes in. Your showroom might have, say, 15 cars, but there are a lot of other cars which are available in different places. And especially people say, I want to buy a Land Rover, but I want it in a particular color, but it might not be available in this showroom, but this is available in some other showroom, and so on and so forth. So the larger backend inventory also, this is also part of a question I want to really take about. You also own then the larger ecosystem of luxury in your city. Another thing which Mr. Nanda said, it's an exclusive contract in the city. They won't want to make one partner who would not only run the showrooms, but also run anything to do with that. You can run exhibitions, you can run forums, you can run a lot of, other things, which means that you can have a luxury car meet or a Sunday, something which can be organized on that thing to engage the consumers which have luxury ownership. We also have a leadership because there are already 7 showrooms, a lot of legacy already there. This is a high margin business. Another question which I would like to pick up from the team, that how it becomes a much larger margin and the return becomes much exciting. And finally, it's a proven system. It's a system which they have taken a lot of years to perfect it. If you go and visit their showrooms, it's a state of art. It's state of art detailing center and started. So Mr. Das, I will start with you. The first piece, which is very important. I know I discussed with you and you said one of the areas which you have a biggest focus is to build the customer confidence base, how the customer confidence is delivered and what kind of warranties we offer and why it is so special. Over to you.
Thank you. The first thing what we do is we give 15 days money back guarantee. No other place in the world you get 15 days money back guarantee. No matter what problem you have, your wife may not have liked the car, or your friend or your family, somebody have said this is accidental or whatever. What may be the reason? We don't ask you, we just return your money back. That's the first trust we create with our customer, so that he's feeling comfortable in buying the car. Second trust we create is by giving warranties of 1 year. So engine and gearbox warranty for 1 year. So whatever happens, we'll do it with that warranty we have given you. Like OEM, when you buy a car, you got to buy extended warranties. I have paid almost 1.5 lakhs for my Volvo, but apart from that, now after that, OEM doesn't do. Bentley do it 10-year warranty. All other cars maximum 3-4. So we do it even for 5-year-old, 6-year-old, 7-year-old cars. So that's second. Third, we give complete end-to-end package, which is including free servicing, which is including even if tire is punctured, we'll send someone, not really we, when we tie up with you as a franchisee, and we tie up with some people like Go Mechanic, we tie up with some people like roadside assistance. So we provide those small services along with the car to the customers, wherein we have given them services to their doorstep for the year. So we give you 3 services in that package. You have to buy it. The customer have to buy it. We give you 3 services. We give you complete back-to-back warranty with that package, and we give you 15 days money back guarantee. These are the 3 things where we build that trust in our customer, in the consumer.
Very, very important point. A huge amount of trust and capabilities really come in. The second point, which I would like to really touch upon, is, because we visited your showrooms and we found that car detailing is a very important aspect of the business. And I would like you to see the whole life journey, how you purchase a car, how it comes to your place, why detailing is so important, because it is also becomes aspiration for people to make it the car ready to be presentable as an absolutely new piece, which they want to do that. And a lot of enthusiasts actually continue to come back for detailing because they want to really see their car in the same manner. Any comments you have on that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I remember, when we introduced 5 years back, I met somebody somewhere and he said, I'm into detailing. And he only used to do Rolls-Royce and Bentley. And then I spoken to him. This guy was very good. This was 2015 when detailing was not even introduced in India properly. So I realized detailing is not just important to old cars, but detailing is also important to brand new cars. So whenever I buy a car, I send from the showroom to the detailing studio. 0-kilometer car going to the detailing studio. And that was when I was getting it done from a outside person. And that's after 1 year of doing it through him, understanding the process, getting him to the company, we created our own in-house detailing studio in Karnal first. Then now we have all detailing studios. What we do in that is, it actually not just completely wipe out those swirl marks or those small lines or those small paint marks. It also protects your paint for about 6 months. So those small dust particles do not scratch your paint. It just scratch the single layer or 5 layers of the detailing coat. So in detailing, we also coat the car, which is like protecting your paint and protecting your car against that. And that's like, I get my car detailed every 3 months, even if I'm buying from the showroom then also. But most of the customer, we have seen that they get their car detailed every 6 months. So in that detail, you do dry clean, you do entire deep cleaning of the car, you do entire paint cleaning of the car, and then you coat the car. This is our process.
Absolutely. Now, one important question is that, the returns are very, very attractive. We only have capex about 2 crores and then about 3 crores of working capital, which you use it for your stocks and information, and the returns are in some cases one of the best in the industry you can get. 10-12 months you can do that. Why it is so high margin business versus a OEM business? If you would have taken a regular OEM and put the same kind of money, you will not get
back
return
10 years
30% of even that. So why would it be why this is so high return on margin?
The first thing is, sir, if we buy it from the OEM, people will be surprised that when Luxury Ride or any person like us buy it from the OEM, we had a very small incident with one of the OEM brands. I'm not going to name it. They were not providing us parts. This was the biggest reason of failure of Mr. Khattar, Car Nation. They were not getting parts. So we wrote them a single small letter that India is law-abiding country with the monopoly law. You have to sell it to us or we are going to the court. You cannot have the monopoly of parts. So, one letter and they opened up the doors for us. Now we go buy the parts. They still control the inventory. They don't sell it to individual and they just say, we don't sell. But to us or to dealers like us, now they have to open because monopoly law is very strong. Second, those parts are priced at, let's say, 20,000, but the servicing or changing of that part may cost you 30,000. So 50,000 for changing one part, whereas we get a 15 to 20% discount on that part from the OEM, and we don't charge 30,000 on the servicing or changing the part. We might charge about 5,000 to 10,000. So we are actually getting the part done in the cost of the part to the car. Now, whatever we take extra, 20-30% is our profit. So that's one way of margin, which is like 30% to 40% cheaper than the OEM services and still making a margin of 30-35%. One thing. Second thing is the car sale purchase. Maruti, typically a dealer probably gets about 2% or 3% as a margin, not more than that. So 5 lakh car, 10,000 to 15,000 is a dealer's margin. But the same old Maruti, you buy it for 2.5 lakh, you can even sell it for 3 lakhs. So that's like 20% margin. Same goes with Mercedes and BM. We don't have 20% margin, but our inventory rotates every 48 days. So let's say 3 crore worth of cars getting rotated. So 3 crore is turning into 4 times every year. So you are actually selling the cars for 12 crores, not 3 crores. And those 12 crore, even if they are producing a handsome return of about 12%, they are generating about 1.5 crore ka profit. So that's why. Otherwise, if you just say that in 1 year you will be selling 3 crore worth of cars, you will maybe making a profit of 30-40 lakhs. But because it's getting rotated in the circle, that's when you generate higher the margin in the sales. And then, when we trade, like when they give us the car, like a Maruti or a Honda, and we trade it to other dealer, we take 30-40,000 or sometimes 10,000 or even sometimes a loss. But then the profit is there even in trading the car. So all these clubs together, all the 4 parts clubbed together makes a high margin business, huge margin business. And all the hard work, the major part when a person buys a car goes on to searching the car. That's done by the head office. That's done by the franchisor. And all the hard work of procuring the parts even from Germany or from Dubai is done by the company. You don't have to do that. All the lead generation for the servicing is done by the company. You don't have to do that. So all these things are, the expensive part are done by the franchisor, not the franchisee. So you're just selling the cars or servicing the cars. And then you're enjoying the brand value, which is giving all these warranties because you're not providing those warranties. Companies that way. That's why
very helpful. Sonia, over to you. And I would like to especially take a very important question Miral Shah has asked, a very relevant question.
Sure. Thank you so much. I think this was, while a very elaborate presentation, but we still have some questions which we'll take up very quickly. And I like to pick, I'll pick one from the audience also. But initially, just to start off with, if we can also maybe give some reflection on the kind of revenue mix an investor or a prospective franchisee would have. So we have talked about broadly, the 4 revenue streams, which includes detailing, sales, service, and spare. If we have to understand the revenue mix from these and also the margins out of these 4 services, how much would that be?
In a tier 1, the target revenue for any showroom would be between 20 and 30 crores, depending on the franchisee putting in efforts, and his reputation does matter a lot. So between 20 and 30, if he's, like he's not giving in time, then also he will generate a turnover of around 20 crores. That's the total revenue. With the service center generates anywhere between 100 to 150 cars a month. That's what we can do. So let's cut it at 100 cars a month. Ticket size of 35,000. So monthly 35 to 50 lakhs is the revenue generation from the service center in tier 1. And that can go down to, in a city like Dehradun, that can go down to about 25 lakh, 20 to 25 lakhs per month. So that's what we are doing. That's why we are saying we do about 65, 70 lakhs a month in Karnal. And in Dehradun, we do about 25 lakhs average in a month. And, that's what the revenue generation is. So the composition of the revenue, if you ask me, 30% of the total revenue comes from service center. 10%, 5 to 10% from the detailing studios. And about 60% from the sale purchase of the car.
And typically, what would be the margins overall one can expect from?
So about 12% margin in the sales. I'm not understanding any margin in the purchase, but we don't have the exact math because that cannot be done. Once you buy, you sell. 12% margin. In service, 35% margin. In detailing, it can even go up to 70%. Because the layering chemical is the most expensive one. Rest is all labor. All labor. There is nothing else. So, and we sometimes charge even 1 lakh of rupees for detailing car like Rolls Royce or Bentley. So 70% can go there.
Jitendra, one thing more which I like to ask, if you look at the age of cars and today if you look at the overall ownership of these automobiles which people use, there's a shorter ownership cycle which has now reduced from 7 years to about 3 to 4 years, especially in the luxury segment, which also while if you see the overall usable life of the car, that is increased. So a lot of our buyers are looking at cars which are lesser mileage and maybe a number of years. So if you can also talk about typically what kind of kilometer mileage would these cars have and what is the age of these cars?
Yeah. So, if you go to UK or US, if the car is driven 100,000 kilometers, 1 lakh kilometers, they will say, oh, yeah, I got a very good car, 1 lakh hi chali. Dubai, you will see cars like 15 lakh kilometers, 10 lakh kilometers. I do understand roads were not there in India, were not there. Now they are there. I mean, Delhi में कहाँ है potholes होते हैं, बहुत कम है, 10% भी नहीं है जो पहले होते थे. One thing. Second thing, the age of these cars in London, I just received a call from a friend, from a family who have been gifted a Rolls Royce 1969 model and it looked like a brand new. I can show you the car right now. It was yesterday. And I said, wow, you got a Rolls Royce 1969. It's not an antique. It's a classic car. And it looked like a brand new car. And in India, 10 साल में ही बोलते हैं खत्म हो गई गाड़ी. It doesn't happen like that. I mean, I personally have driven car. I was driving when I met Gauravji. I was driving a RS5, which was a 9-year-old. We still have a Lamborghini, which is a 10-year-old. So car का age होता है, but India में the OEMs put it in your head, sir model change हो गया, ये खत्म कर दो model. This is waste. ये अच्छा नहीं है. इसके अंदर तो बहुत problems थी. हमने इसीलिए नया model किया. The OEM are actually putting in your head. So age is at least 15 years. There is no problem in these cars, but we don't buy 5 years plus cars. But otherwise, we are happy to even service 8 or 9-year-old. Second, the kilometers. अगर वो लंदन में 10 लाख किलोमीटर चल सकते हैं तो इंडिया में क्यों 50,000 किलोमीटर पे इस गाड़ी को खराब कहा जाता है? The only thing is these are the second-hand dealers which have actually, and cashing on the mindset of rich people, I would say, who say यार बेचनी है गाड़ी, so they are not worried about and the people who buy these cars earlier were the people who were taking depreciation in the books. So after 3 years, they have almost kind of 60% depreciation is taken into account. And they can sell it for 50% loss as well or 60% loss as well because they have already taken into account the depreciation. And most of the cars were bought for depreciation in 10, 11, 12. So they are okay. And these dealers were saying, yaar, abhi to 80,000 kilometers chal gaya, main nahi paise deta. I personally, literally have driven cars 1.5 lakh kilometers. I'm still driving a car which is 1,70,000 driven. It's okay. My RS5 was 80,000 driven. This is a sports car. I'm okay with that. So kilometer wise, they can go up to 3-4 lakh kilometers. For age wise, they can go up to 10 to 15 years as well. We have a Lamborghini 10-year-old. So that's like the age and you just have to maintain it well. Earlier, the also problem was OEM के ऊपर आप अगर Lamborghini को ले गए हो, वो गाड़ी तो लिया आपने 1 crore की, but 5 लाख से 10 लाख रुपया सर्विस का ले लेगा. But come to us, we will do it in lakh or 1,50,000, which is like 1.5% every 3-6 months, which is okay, which is like your Maruti as well. You spend more than 3% to 4% on your Maruti every time you service. So we can do it in 1.5%.
Very helpful. Tanuji, I'll take one or two more questions. Ekto, because we talked about every city that we'll only have one partner, which would give exclusivity to the partner. So my question would be on the inventory and one would be on the launch. So when we talk about selection of cars, would we have intelligent data which we can share, and based on that data, we select the cars? And second would be, what would be a launch strategy for new markets that we are entering, which is maybe initial or ongoing? And what is that expected from the franchise partner? Hanji.
Yeah. So we are absolutely data-driven company. I mean, you will be surprised, but we even avoid silver color cars. Silver color cars, no matter they are driven 2,000 kilometers, we avoid silver color cars. Avoid, not that we don't buy it. Let's say we're buying a white color Mercedes E-Class for 40 lakhs. Everything same, year, kilometer, age, look. We might just buy it for silver color car. We might just buy it for 35 or 34. We will not go for say 36 or even 32. You know, we will not even prefer to buy it for 35. One. Second, the data tells us which car we can buy. Let's say we are getting an offer for a B class. When we put it in the system, that tells us, boss, listen, B class turnaround time is 88 days. And last year, the B class turnaround time was 170 days. So only you have doubled up half the time, but still it's 90 days. Your average stat is 48 days. Would you like to block your money in a B class for 88 days? Yes, if I'm getting more margin. So I'll buy a car for 15 lakh, which I want to sell for 17. And same B class, I'll buy it for 13.5 or 14 because it's getting double the blockage, or maybe 13. So we are absolutely data-driven company. So we buy cars. We don't buy Rolls Royce. We don't buy Bentleys. We rarely buy Lamborghinis or we rarely buy Ferraris. In total, we have not sold more than 5 of these cars. We are not happy with those cars because our customer is mass luxury segment. So we start at 15, we end at 40. Where the OEM starts, we end there. Where the BBT, Big Boys Toys start, we end there. They start at 1 crore, we end at 1 crore, simply. OEM start at 40 lakh, we end at 40 lakh, 80% of our cars. So we want to make a person, instead of buying a top-end Kia or a Creta or even a Honda City for 20 lakhs, we would want them to buy a Mercedes, BM or Audi for 20 lakhs.
Very
that
helpful.
Is what.
Yeah, that's very helpful.
And the second part of the, if I just may answer that, the second part of the question where the franchisee really stands to benefit is that they have access to our national inventory. Maybe 10 cars are his inventory that is lying in his showroom, but he will have access to our other 150 cars which he can sell, which are lying in other showrooms also. So that's the kind of movability we are talking about, and that's the kind of business proposal and the business benefit we're talking about.
Okay. That's very helpful, Narendraji. And while we have a lot of questions coming in on the location, so I will say we're looking at Pan India, and there may be locations which are already covered. We might not look at a second partner. Anything that Narendraji, you or Mr. Das, you want to add on the expansion?
Yeah, we will at the moment. We have segmented the location. If you are opening up in a, let's say we are in North India, we are absolutely everywhere. But if you are, let's say you want to open up in Assam, so it will also take us time to open up in Northeast. Though we can open it, but we will detail discuss with you that your, return on investment might go from 12 months to 24 months because Assam, we need to build up the market. Only one showroom is there, that is Mercedes. Now BMW is coming, and even, the bike showroom was winded up sometime back. So we need to build up showrooms at places which, or if your city have Audi, Mercedes, BM, we are happy to come immediately to your city. Immediately. If your city doesn't have any of them, we will think twice, because though we will come to your city, but we will discuss it with you, because if you are coming in, let's say from a city where there is no Audi, BMW, Mercedes, your return on investment might increase from 12 months to about 24 months or maybe 30 months. We will discuss it with you, and definitely margins will go less. So we will build up the market. So when you're building up the market, it will take time, like how Luxury took time.
think that's very, very informative session that we had. And I also thank the entire team which has joined in, Narendra ji, Dhanu ji and Amrit ji, and all our participants who have joined and put in their questions. And I think a lot of these questions would require in-depth understanding, especially on the financials, markets that we are open. And we would request friends, all of you, you can reach on the hotline number of Franchise India. Our teams also at Franchise India will reach out to all of you. We'll start fixing calls where you can have maybe interaction, which could be through telephone or maybe a virtual interaction on a Zoom call, where we can take up these sessions for all of you. And you can already see the hotline number in the chat box we've put in there. And before we close, Dhanuji and Narendra ji, I would request if there's a message that you want to give to the entire audience which is present on the
Absolutely.
webinar and listening.
You know, one thing why, I mean, one of the reasons we get a lot of franchise queries directly to our showroom is that, people love luxury cars. Most of our, buyers are a fan of luxury cars. If, you are thinking of a business like Luxury Ride, I would suggest you, you must visit our showroom, see the process. And I'm sure that, you will be discussing with Franchise India how to go about it, because this is so glamorous and so wonderful business that, if done properly, you can be a part of the fastest growing industry of India. We are at 1 new car is to 1 old car. We will reach 1 new car to 4 old cars by 2025. And that's, I can bet anything on that, because the reason is very simple. A lot of OEMs will move to battery operated cars. These cars will still be there and they will be available for a fraction of their cost. Like a Rolls Royce, you probably will get for 1 crore of rupees. A Mercedes you will get for about 15 lakh rupees, a wonderful Mercedes. I'm sure, why would you like to go for a battery operated car? Just to save some money, unless until put people, and then by the time we will be moving, the industry will be moving and creating the market for electric cars. We as Luxury Ride only have to check out our petrol diesel cars, sell them at a cost price as well and move on to a electric car. We are just a company OEM without a factory. So we don't need to change our factory settings, or we don't change our machinery. We'll just move on and start selling electric cars. Simple as that, very simple as that. And that's what I would like to say. So you will not have a factory setup or like that, jo baad mein change karna pada. It's just bring in a new car, old cars gone. So do visit us, do talk to Franchise India, how they can arrange. We are in different cities. You can visit your city, or you can come to any showroom you want to, and you can talk to us anytime. Thank you.
Thank you. Narendra ji, anything you want to say, or Amrit ji, you want to say
anything? Thank you so much, sir. I just want to say one thing. If you have that passion for luxury cars, if you are a real aspirant for that, if you like the company of cars all around you, this is the right place for you. Just connect with our team, with the Franchisee India team, and we would love to just have a round of yours into our showroom and the facilities, so that you understand what's happening. We'll be very happy to host you here, and then we will take it forward from there. Thank you so much, Sonia ji, Gaurav ji, for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you
Very much. Really great opportunity. Friends, reach out to our business hotline number. If you are interested, they're open for all state capitals. Very aggressive expansion plan, but there is only one partner in one city. Don't miss the opportunity not to partner. Otherwise, you lose the opportunity forever. So thank you very much for joining in. Over to you, Sonia, for your last remarks, and then to Arch.
Great. Thank you. I'd like to thank all our friends who have joined. And as we close, I still see some questions coming in, friends. We'll reach out to all of you, and especially all the people who have asked questions. We'll prioritize and reach out to you with setting up time for one-to-one meetings. Thank you once again, Narendra ji, Amrit ji, and Dhanu ji. Thank you. Bye. Over to you, Archana.
So thank you so much, Mr. Das. Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, and special thanks to Mr. Agarwal for joining in today. Thank you so much for all the efforts put in during the dry run and presenting this particular model with us. We would like to thank Sonia ma'am and Gaurav sir. All the dear friends, thank you so much for joining in today for this great opportunity. Do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. We are sharing different business opportunities on a daily basis. If you say this number, you'll get a broadcast message from our side. Do visit us at a different social handles, information on your screen. Your valuable suggestion and feedback will help us in improving our process. If you wish to join with the management team of Franchise India, you can join them at their LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And as we always say that we are there to provide with the maximum business opportunity, we are inviting you to come and join us for our Bharat Franchise Show. We are celebrating the 30th day today for this particular show, where we are inviting you to join us for Dehradun chapter. We have invited brand representative founders of 5 different companies. They'll come and digitally present their business model with each one of you. To register, you can either reach out to us at our business hotline number, or you can join us at the Facebook page. And tomorrow, under business opportunity of a webinar series, we would like to invite you for chapter 12. That's the social dining restaurant we are bringing for you. Do registration either at the business hotline number or Facebook. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy. Take care. Thank you so much, sir. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.